What's up, everyone? Welcome back to V8X, the home of raw American power, big engines, and bold machines. If you love trucks that dominate the road, hit that like button, subscribe to V8X, and let's dive straight in. Today, we're taking a deep look at the 2026 GMC Sierra 1500, finished in a stunning silver body with black accents, a truck that screams strength, luxury, and pure American attitude. Front view description. Let's start with the front view. Right away, the massive GMC grille grabs your attention. It's bold, aggressive, and unapologetically American. The LED headlights cut through the road with a sharp, modern design, giving the Sierra a powerful presence whether it's parked or charging down the highway. This front end isn't just styling, it's a statement. Side view description. From the side view, the 2026 Sierra 1500 shows off its muscular proportions. The long, clean body lines, wide stance, and large alloy wheels give it a confident, planted look. The silver paint reflects light beautifully, while the black accents add that premium contrast. This is the kind of truck that turns heads at stoplights and commands respect on the road. Rear view description. Move around to the rear view, and you'll see signature GMC design all over again. The tailgate looks solid and purposeful, with LED taillights that glow sharply at night. Everything back here feels strong, functional, and built for real work, without sacrificing style. Dashboard and interior. Step inside, and the dashboard view tells a whole new story. The interior of the 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 is all about comfort and technology. A modern digital display, premium materials, and a clean black interior layout make the cabin feel more like a luxury SUV than a pickup truck. Whether you're cruising the highway or stuck in traffic, this cabin keeps you comfortable and in control. Engine view. Now let's talk about the heart of this beast, the engine view. Under the hood sits the legendary 6.2-liter V8, delivering serious horsepower and torque. This engine is built for towing, hauling, and pure driving excitement. When you press the gas, you don't just move, you launch. Drone and highway shots. From the drone view, the Sierra looks clean, wide, and perfectly balanced. And on the highway, this truck truly comes alive. It moves with confidence, stability, and authority, making long drives feel effortless and powerful at the same time. Night shot. In the night shot, the Sierra becomes even more dramatic. The LED lighting, reflections off the silver paint, and dark surroundings give it a premium, almost cinematic presence. This is a truck that looks just as good at midnight as it does in daylight. Price mention. Now let's talk numbers. The expected starting price for the 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 is around $40,000. With higher trims and the 6.2L V8 pushing the price towards $65,000 or more, depending on options. And honestly, for the power, tech, and presence you're getting, it feels well worth it. So that's the 2026 GMC Sierra 1500, silver, blacked out, and built with true American muscle. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for V8X. This is V8X, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay loud, stay powerful, and keep it American United States fire.